Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today, as you were seeing from my board that today again I am going to discuss some solution of exercise 29A RS Agarwal for class 12. Question number 16. Question number 16, I am reading it. In a hostel, 16% of the students read Hindi newspaper, 40% read English newspaper, and 20% read both English and Hindi newspaper. A student is selected at random. The first question is this is one. It's find the probability that he reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. Now here probability of, let us take taking the events that H he reads Hindi newspaper, Hindi paper, okay, H, and E be the event he reads English paper. So probability of H is equal to 60% means 60 by 100 means 3 by 5. Probability of E is equal to 40% means 40 by 100 is equal to 2 by 5. And H intersection E, he reads English and Hindi newspaper both. Okay, so probability of H intersection E, we defined the events like that. Okay, so probability of H intersection E is equal to 1 by 5. Understood? Now we know that probability of A union B is equal to PA plus PB minus P of A intersection B. Putting the values over here, we are getting probability of A union B is equal to 4 by 5. Now we have to find probability of A union B complement. Okay, that means he neither reads Hindi newspaper nor reads English newspaper. So that's equal to 1 minus P of A union B. Understood? So that means 1 minus 4 by 5. That's equal to 1 by 5. So that will be my answer. This is the answer of first question. Next come to second question. Second question is given here that if he reads Hindi newspaper, what is the probability that he reads English newspaper? So if he reads Hindi newspaper, so that means we have to find probability of E by H. That's equal to probability of H intersection E by probability of H from conditional probability. So probability of H intersection E, H intersection E means 1 by 5 divided by probability of H. Probability of H is equal to 3 by 5. That means 1 by 3. And third I am reading, if he reads English newspaper, what is the probability that he reads Hindi newspaper? That is the reverse case. Probability of H by E we have to find. That's equal to probability of H intersection E by probability of E. That's equals to 1 by 5 by probability of E is equal to 2 by 5 means 1 by 2. So these are my required answer for question number 16. Exercise 29A RS Agarwal, class 12. Next move to question number 17. So we are solving question number 17 of exercise 29A RS Agarwal, class 12. I am reading the question once again. Two integers are selected at random from 1 to 11. Two integers are selected. Then if the sum is even, if the sum of that integers are even, then what is the probability that both numbers is, find the probability that both numbers selected are odd. Okay. Now here we first consider A is equal to event choosing both numbers and B is A is another first event choosing both numbers, and B is another event sum of chosen number is even, not even. Okay, now if we take the numbers from 1 to 11, okay, so from 1 to 11 there are 5 even number, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 even number, and if we consider odd number 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, so 6 odd number, so 5 numbers, okay. Now probability of A means event choosing both odd number, so we are choosing two numbers, two integers are choosing, so from 6 odd number we can choose 2 odd number by 6 C2 number of way, okay, and from 11 number of 2 number we are choosing 11 C2 number of way. Now is the calculation, so this is 6 C2, that means factorial 6 by factorial 4 into factorial 2 divided by factorial 11 by factorial 9 into factorial 2. This is the calculation. So factorial 6 by factorial 4 into factorial 9 by factorial 11. Here we can write it that 6 means 6 into 5 into factorial 4 into factorial 9 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 11 means 11 into 10 into factorial 9. Factorial 9 cancelize, factorial 4 cancelize, and if we calculate it, we are getting 3 by 11. Okay, so this is the probability of A, and probability of B. What is probability of B? Probability of B is event the sum of chosen number is even. The sum of chosen number is even. So probability of B should be, we can choose these two number from 5 even number or 6 odd number, okay. From 5 even number this can choose by 5C 2 number of way, plus from 6 odd number it can choose 6C 2 number of way, divided by total from 11 number we can choose this 2 number by 11C 2 number of way. Hope you are able to understand it. Now let us do the calculation. I am doing, please give me one time. So here factorial 2 is cancelled out, so here factorial 5 means 5 into 4 divided by factorial 3, factorial 3 cancel out, so 5 into 4 over here, and here plus 6 into 5 over there, because factorial 4 factorial 6 cancel out, and here 11 into 10. Now if we calculate here, this is 20 plus 30 by 110, that means 50 by 110, that means 5 by 11. And probability of A intersection B, probability of A intersection B is equal to here both probability of A intersection B. Now probability of A, what is probability of A intersection B? That is event choosing both odd number, sum of chosen number is even. chosen number is even. So probability of A intersection B is equals to probability of A. Understood? Here probability of A intersection B is equals to probability. So from here probability of A intersection B should be equals to probability of A. If we consider the event, then A, what is my A intersection B? Event, the sum of chosen number is even, an event choosing both odd numbers. So A intersection B, here probability of A intersection B, that's equals to probability of A, that is choosing both odd numbers. Hope you understand, choosing both odd number. So probability of A intersection B is equal to, from odd number we are choosing two numbers as 6C2A, and from 11 total 11 numbers we are choosing two numbers as 11C2A. So that's equal to 3 by 11. Now we have to find out probability of B by A, sorry, probability of A by B, that is with respect to this event. We have to find out the probability of this event. So probability of A by B, that's equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B, that's equals to 3 by 11 by 5 by 11 equal to 3 by 5 will be my answer. So that's it for this video. Hope you are able to understand it, the required next two solution that I have given you. Till then, keep watching my channel and do subscribe, and if you have any problem regarding to understanding the maths, you can ask me, I will definitely help you. Okay, thank you.